Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again with more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect. Alright, so I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to try my best to present these videos to you as quick as possible because I have dinner to go and start. So I say, anyways, now the first video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and a woman. Now, I do not know exactly where and when the video be recorded, and there were other persons at that location where the video be recorded, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, the video also shows a scuffle between a man and a woman, and the video had been posted on social media with words that goes like this: Justice of the Peace Office, disgrace. Listen good. I assume that the disgrace might mean disgrace. But anyways, now to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, the video shows when a man pushed a female and the female retaliated, and then to my knowledge other things happened that would make some persons call the situation a fight or a scuffle between two persons. So may I say, viewers and subscribers, and if this video had been recorded where I think the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers, then the situation that I can see in the video just might be a disgrace. Can you imagine two persons fighting at a Justice of the Peace Office that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica? Can you imagine that? Anyways, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
People ready to come out. Simple. And I got me, I tell you. And you run your rocks and laughing. I tell you that. If you don't know, you think I'm going to that.
Listen to me, man. You go out there, so we can sell out some.
You can't come to
You're
know
selling people in that car. Get out. You don't want to sell out from me. Get out. Don't come back here.
I can't tell me that. They don't come to you. They come to you. Why? They come to you.
Please get out of here.
I'm gonna get you. Push me out. Push me out. Push me out.
Miss, get out of here.
Push me out.
She's so upset.
Push me out. But I'm done with the little backside. You see, push me out.
My God.
I'm going to show you something. I'm going to call Desmond tomorrow.
You call anyone in your... Get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm talking about
Get through the door.
no. Put me out. Put me out, let me
Selling
say.
people like that.
Put
Don't come
me
back here.
out. What have I hurt you?
Get out.
What have I hurt you? Put me out, let me say. Put me out. Put me out.
See, you don't listen.
Put me out.
I am in.
Put me out. Put me out. I'm even to come. Put me out. It's not saying that easy. Put me out. I'm going to tell you. Put me out.
Are you paying the food?
Wow.
Put me out. Come to you. What do you feel like? You feel like I'm a master to have an idiot and a man.
Listen, leave. You know, we can sell out, sell. Get out of here.
Hurt you. Oh, it hurt you so much. Oh, it hurt you. Like you. Oh, it hurt you so much. What have it hurt you? What have it hurt you? What have it hurt you? Huh? What have it hurt you?
What really caused that the confrontation there?
What have it hurt you?
But sit down, just a look.
It's a sin now. Well, be respect, you know. I'm going to tell you something, Mr. Sinner. I'm going to tell you something. You see, what happened after that? Kill him again. And you see what me do? Me know where me go. Me know where me go. Come here, draw in this one.
Watch through the door. Watch through the door.
That's why I'm going to come here. Are you remember? You make your
Get out of here.
What have we hurt you? What have we hurt you? Who you can represent? Who you can represent? Who you can represent? Want you? Who you can represent?
Miss Nance.
Come on,
See, what you do with her? We need you to leave. For you keep entertaining her. And that may I realize with you. And I film with you. Get the lady out of here. Get her out of here. Come on, tell us that you to leave.
You're disrespect you. Disrespect you. Who am I? What?
This okay, it's alright.
What could have caused that the confrontation?
What?
Hey?
She go on. It's a close.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That is so disgusting! No, no, no! That is wrong! Oh my God! I will tell.
Miss. No.
That's an assault.
Miss.
I will tell you on there.
Are you okay?
Wow. Wow. Enough time I say it in quite a number of videos to avoid certain types of confrontations. See? What happened right there in my point of view wrong from both ends in my point of view, my people. You see me? I mean, I wonder why the female sound so upset. Who is that female who was yelling and shouting at the man? Who was that man who was yelling and shouting and saying certain things to the female? Who are those other persons that I could hear talking in the video? Yes, I ask me people. Did this video really and truly had been recorded at a Justice of the Peace office? Because I'm not sure exactly where the video was recorded. The video had been posted on social media with certain words, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I say. But me still I wonder. Because if this video had been recorded where I think that this video had been recorded, my people, then I think that the situation that you can see in the video just might be a disgrace. You see? Man not hit no woman. Woman not hit no man. Nobody fi hit nobody. See? And just avoid certain types of confrontations. So me I say, I just one of them video there on social media, my people. Just to make you know about that video. So let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. And I real, yes, so me I say, it's not every time me I gotta have specific information when it comes down to certain videos that are being talked about on social media. Sometimes me have to ask questions too, because I'm not Mr. Know-it-all. Alright, so with that I'm going to move on to another video. You can let me know what you think, alright? Alright, now on to a sad topic now, viewers and subscribers. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. Now, in my words, and based on some things that the female said in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that the female said that human remains that had been found at a certain location had been confirmed to be of her sister who went missing. Now, I think it would be best for you to look and listen to this video for yourself so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. My people, this is really and truly a sad topic. Let me know what I think. Observe.
So good afternoon, everyone. I just want to start by saying that for most of you, you may already know that the remains that were found in Bella's Gate, St. Catherine, on the 15th of May, 2022, it has been confirmed that it is that of my sister, Chantel Blake, that was missing on the 6th of January. I have gotten all the DMs. My family and I really appreciate the condolences. Some of them we have not yet gotten a chance to go through, but we really appreciate your kind words, your encouragement, and just being there on a whole. We really appreciate it. And Chantel would really appreciate it as well. So I want to thank you guys very much for keeping us in your prayers nonetheless and helping us to share the word and, keeping us encouraged. It's very difficult. It is rough and it is tough, and I've never dreamt in a million years that.
People, may I tell you the truth. I don't know what going on in the world. Because it's not just Jamaica alone. At the world. Me talk up someone. I don't know what's going on within the world. And not just Jamaica alone. The amount of missing persons case. My condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of the female talk about in that video, viewers and subscribers. So I say you don't have to know someone to really and truly feel certain ways, especially when certain things bad happen. You see me and say my people. But on a real though, I tell you the truth, to all the world I run, I think it hard to trust myself, say me I go somewhere with that person there, or me I go just let certain people in my life. Something, I don't know what going on. See, because if my memory serves me correct enough, viewers and subscribers, see, some time ago, the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media about a female who went missing, who goes by the name of Chantal Blake McCalla. So might not be accurate. Yes, so me ask my people, yeah, and the post I could have say send catching and so forth. But anyways, the point is, my people, is that based on some things that the female said in the video, it's like me have some form of memory about let me see. Alright, so see a post that had been made on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, viewers and subscribers. So me answer to you. Yeah, I know that's me see this post, this whole situation somewhat a come back to me. Yes, so me answer my people. Yeah, so the post contain words that are similar to some of the things that the female said in the video that I just presented to you, like Chantal Blake and the date as to when the person went missing, viewers and subscribers. Similar to the date that the female said in the video. May I tell you, I can only imagine how the female feel. Like for real, I can only imagine how she feel. I tell my people. John, I know what go on in the world. Like the amount of missing persons case. I tell you, John, my condolences, I think I better leave it right here. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos and the things that I said in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. You see it.